mama. Oh, he's a big baby. He's a big sucky boy, aren't you? No. Say hi. Oh yeah, he's a big baby. Oh, come on. So he's got a little bit of, you'll see. Not me, it's him. Come on. Alright, it's me. Okay. So another dog bit him on the end of the ear last night, and it was bleeding a lot. So that still needs to be cleaned up. But here's his Macerca. His nice new clean teeth. Nice new clean teeth. Show your teeth, Dal. See? Yeah. Amazing. No, it's in. It's her that's bugging me, not me.